Are you looking for the best cordless ratchet in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless ratchet that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Milwaukee 2457-21 3/8 in Cordless M12 Lithium-Ion Ratchet Kit. The Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet Kit flaunts its best-in-class power. Along with it, it also has best-in-class speed and durability. Moreover, this ratchet is the ideal tool for auto mechanics and maintenance. It is perfect for professionals looking for maximum performance and productivity. In addition, it utilizes a powerful 12-volt motor, thus, giving users the power and speed of a pneumatic ratchet without air hose. The Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet Kit is also notable for its M12 red lithium battery pack. With this, it delivers more work per charge than competitors. This ratchet also is only at 10-3/4 long and 1.9 pounds. Hence, this ratchet is tool belt portable. Furthermore, it provides maximum control and durability. This is because of the variable speed metal trigger and reinforced steel housing. Overall, this cordless ratchet packs all the best features. Hence, a very smart choice to purchase. At number 4, Makita RW01R1 12 volts Max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3/8 1/4 square drive ratchet kit. The Makita RW01R1 cordless ratchet delivers 35 feet lbs of max torque. It also has interchangeable 3/8 and 1/4 anvils. With this, it is more versatile to use. In addition, it has a 0 to 800 RPM variable speed. This ratchet also has a productive electric brake. Moreover, it can also be used as a manual ratchet. Thus, this ratchet can still work in case of power drain. The ratchet also provides a built-in LED light, hence, providing light when working in dark areas. Packed with only 2.35 pounds. With battery. With this, the lightweight ratchet reduces operator fatigue. Furthermore, it is ergonomically designed. The rubberized soft grip increases comfort and control. What makes the Makita RW01R1 convenient is it is ideal for tight spaces. The low-profile design improves handling in compact areas. Thus, the user is saved from uncomfortable usage. At number 3, KIMO Extended 3/8 inches 40 ftlbs Cordless Ratchet Wrench Kit. The KIMO Extended Cordless Ratchet Kit has a 40 feet lbs max torque. It packs more power than other cordless ratchets. Furthermore, this ratchet performs just like an air ratchet, only without annoying cords and the constant loud noise. In addition, it has a 3.93 long neck profile. With this, it provides the longest reach to nuts and bolts, saving the user from knuckle busting. Incredibly, this ratchet has at least 1,000 battery life cycles. Saves you the worry about changing batteries quickly. The KIMO Extended Cordless Ratchet Kit also has 2 rubber pieces. Hence, it can withstand corrosive materials. Also, increasing comfort when in use. In addition, it features a built-in LED light. Ideal for low to no light work areas. At number 2, ACDelco ARW1201G12 Series 3/8 57 ftlbs Cordless Ratchet Kit. The ACDelco ARW1201 has a powerful 57 feet lbs max torque, beating most power of its competitors. It is also engineered with high-quality materials. In addition, it is equipped with a 3/8 alloy steel head. Thus, perfect for construction, auto, and home repair work. Moreover, this ratchet offers a unique function. It features a powerful 160 RPM with no load speed. Also, providing an electric brake. Hence, users can use the power tool with a safe, peace of mind. The ACDelco ARW1201 is also user-friendly. The ratchet has an ergonomic soft grip design. With this, it provides comfort for long working hours. Also, a grip with maximum control and steadiness. To add, the package includes two 12-volt Li-ion battery, thus saving you the expense of buying another one. Furthermore, it includes a hard shell carrying case as well, unlike others who only offer a soft bag. At number 1. JUEMEL 16.8 volts 3/8 Cordless Power Ratchet. The JUEMEL Cordless Ratchet features a 16.8V high-performance motor. With this, it delivers a max 34 ftlbs max torque and 0 to 400 revolutions per minute speed. It also has a variable speed trigger, allowing the user to flexibly control the ratchet. Moreover, this ratchet is designed to be lightweight and compact, saving the user from operator fatigue when in use. Hence, very comfortable and easy to operate. The JUEMEL Cordless Ratchet includes two high-quality 2000 mAh batteries, saving the user from buying battery replacements. In addition, the socket is a slot-inside mate. It sets the adapter to become stable and durable. Thus, the user is free from socket shaking and falling. Furthermore, it provides multi-size sockets. It contains 7 different sizes of sockets and 2 screwdrivers paired with 3/8 and 1/4 adapters. Overall, the JUEMEL Cordless Ratchet is an all-around ideal tool. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.